Hi, today we'll be looking at the poem of Hamza Ali Abbasi, who is both a CSS officer, former CSS officer, and also an actor. So we'll see that how his hand shows that there is like success in both fields and also in politics. Well, first of all, we see that there are many unique aspects on this poem. The first is that there are two headlines. This is the main headline, which is going like this, and this is the second headline. Now, the second headline, if we see, the second headline is coming from this area, which is lower Mars. So this shows aggression, this shows success in politics and sports, and also military or police, because Mars represents courage. And the people who are having headline from this, they succeed in aggressive pursuits like police, military, and so forth. So it's no surprise that when he qualified for CSS, he got post in police, but he quit that to pursue acting. But he would have been successful there as well because he has a headline there. Now we also see that the second headline is much stronger. So maybe that's why he went into acting, because the second headline is going to the Mount Moon. The Mount Moon represents imagination and creativity. So that's why maybe he went and into acting, because of course that's a very creative field. But what happens with the double headline sometimes is that even though it gives success, it makes the person double minded. Like they sometimes want to go into this field, sometimes this. So he is also like that. He is sometimes going back into acting, sometimes he is going into politics. So there's like this confusion in the person. So maybe that's why some poets say that maybe one headline is better than two, because the person remains focused. But it also shows in his case that he is multi-talented. But again, confusion is there. This confusion is also there because of the finger setting, because this finger is low set and this finger is low set. So this also shows a bit of confusion in relation to what should I do in life. That's why maybe he first he went into CSS, then he went into acting, because this shows a bit of confusion. This finger setting shows confusion in what the person ultimately wants to do in life. We also see that this person will find true love, and maybe has found true love with his wife, and the chances of divorce are less, because we see that the heartline has a fork. It's like starting with a fork, so, and the other fork is going towards Jupiter. So the fork shows that the person will get true love in life, and the marriage will be very long lasting. We also see that this person will travel a lot, because there are uh, travel lines there. Overall, he can achieve success in both fields, and there's also talent in acting, because the Moon Mount is strong and the Venus Mount is strong. And there is also money making, like he has like achieved so much financial success because there's a Mercury line there. So overall, the hand is very good. There's just confusion in his personality, which is also because of the thumb setting. The thumb is long and good. The thumb's phalange is first phalange is strong, which shows stubbornness. But overall, if we see that the thumb is very flexible, so this person is always like adapting to new situations. So this again shows confusion in life. So overall, I think this person will, towards the end of life, sometimes go into acting, sometimes go into the other field, which is politics. Because if you see that lower Mars, the line coming from lower Mars also represents politics. So we see this double headline formation. So again, as I said, he will sometimes go into acting, because one headline is going towards Mount Moon, which shows creativity, and the other headline is starting from lower Mars, which was politics or police or military, and he was a CSS officer working in the police. So again, towards the end of life, he will be sometimes going to that field, sometimes going to this field, and he will continually be changing. So that's all I can see from his poem. I hope you enjoy this reading, and I hope you have a nice day.